Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Claude AI error 529, commonly known as the overloaded error. If you're using Claude and suddenly see an error 529 message or a notification indicating that the service is overloaded, don't worry. This error usually appears when Claude's servers are experiencing unusually high demand and are temporarily unable to handle additional requests. Unlike errors caused by account settings or device problems, error 529 is typically related to server capacity and traffic levels. The first thing to understand is that error 529 does not usually mean there's something wrong with your account, browser, or computer. In most cases, it simply means that too many users are trying to use Claude at the same time, causing the service to become overloaded. The simplest solution is often to wait a few minutes and try again. Because server load constantly changes throughout the day, a request that fails now may work perfectly a short time later. After receiving the error, give the system a few minutes to recover before resubmitting your request. If you're working on something important, avoid repeatedly clicking the send button or refreshing the page every few seconds. Sending the same request over and over can sometimes create additional delays and may not help the system process your request any faster. Instead, wait briefly before trying again. Another helpful step is to simplify your request. Large file uploads, lengthy conversations, massive code reviews, and extremely detailed prompts can require more processing resources than shorter requests. If possible, break your task into smaller sections and submit them one at a time. This can reduce the workload associated with your request and improve the chances of it being processed successfully. You should also check whether the issue is widespread. If many users are reporting the same problem, the overload is likely affecting the entire platform rather than just your session. In that situation, the best option is usually to wait until traffic levels decrease and the service stabilizes. If you're using Claude in a browser, refreshing the page or signing out and back in can sometimes resolve temporary session issues. While this won't fix server overload itself, it can help eliminate local session problems that may be contributing to failed requests. You should also make sure your internet connection is stable. Although error 529 is generally server-related, connection interruptions can make troubleshooting more difficult and may cause requests to fail unexpectedly. Finally, remember that overload errors are usually temporary. Once server demand decreases or additional capacity becomes available, Claude should begin responding normally again without requiring any major action from you. By waiting for traffic to decrease, avoiding repeated requests, simplifying large tasks, splitting large files, checking for service-wide issues, and starting fresh conversations when necessary, you can work around most Claude error 529 situations and continue using the platform effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.